Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Let's see how to prepare veg fried rice today. My friend Nikunj Vasoya has challenged me that I cannot just stand and make the recipe today. So if you notice, I have tied two weights on my ankles and I need to make a dish using Nilon's sambar masala. So friends, even though virtually you can see this video is of 4 or 5 minutes, but in actual at the back end it takes nearly about at least bare minimum 1 hour to complete one shoot. So let's see how I perform today putting some weight on my ankles. So let's see what we need for this recipe. We need 2 cups of white rice. This is boiled rice, plain boiled rice. A cup of finely chopped onion. A cup of finely shredded cabbage. 2 teaspoons of peas, fresh peas. 2 tablespoons of diced carrot. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Then we need ginger, a teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of capsicum, diced. A teaspoon of coriander powder, chili powder, and Nilon sambar masala. To begin with, I have gone ahead and preheated 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. In that goes in garlic and ginger, and saute this together for just about a minute. So here I have sauteed this garlic and ginger together for just about a minute. Now let's go ahead and add in finely chopped onion in that. So I have tied these weights for nearly about 15 minutes, and let me tell you, it's really not that easy to have a weight on your ankles and to continue with your regular work. It's really difficult. Now mix that in and saute this onion for like 3 to 4 minutes. So here I have sauteed this onion for like 2 minutes. Now in this I am adding green peas. Now here I am using fresh peas, so I am adding it along with onion itself so that it gets cooked along with onion. Now, oh my god. If you are using frozen peas, then you can add them along with rest of the vegetables, as frozen peas are pre-cooked. So over here I have sauteed these onions for 5 minutes now. Now in this I am adding rest of the veggies. Let's add in carrots and green pepper. Mix that in and cook this for 2 to 3 more minutes. So I have sauteed veggies for 3 minutes now. Let's add in finely shredded cabbage. You also need to cook this shredded cabbage for about a minute. So here I have sauteed this cabbage for just about a minute. Now let's put in all dry spices. Coriander powder, red chili powder, and now Nilon's sambar masala. And add in rice. And then add salt to taste. Now generally while making fried rice, we use all sort of sauces like chili sauce or soya sauce. So this sambar masala is a very good alternative or substitute for these sauces, and it adds wonderful flavor in this dish. Now let's continue to cook this for 3 to 4 more minutes. And here our veg fried rice is all ready. Its flavor is awesome. This sambar masala makes really very good substitute in this veg fried rice. Lovely. And now for garnishing, add in finely chopped coriander leaves. Superb. Perfect. And here our veg fried rice is all ready. And here this veg fried rice is ready, and I have removed weight from my ankles because that was the deal. I was supposed to put them on while cooking, and now my cooking is done. And honestly friends, it's not easy at all to put a weight on your ankles and to perform your routine activities. They also do some ankle weight exercise. I don't know how they do it. It's really difficult task. And this veg fried rice looks fantastic over here. It has got this awesome color and texture. So thank you so much friends. I think I have performed very well with the ankle weights on, and of course why should I suffer alone. Now I am going to carry on this challenge, and I am challenging Kanak from Kanak's Kitchen with blindfold challenge using Nilon's chicken masala. All the best Kanak. So I hope you liked my today's video with this ankle weight challenge. If you like this, hit the like button. Also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.